Yes, keeping up a garden takes a lot out of you. Yes, it does. Constantly cleaning up, you gotta do. Pulling weeds out that keep coming up. Oh, I pulled it out and they came right back. But don't give up. Keep going, keep going. You're gonna reap what you sow and have abundance in harvesting. Oh, gotta get in here and harvest and clean up today. Oh, look at all of this okra under there. I don't let them get some of them get too big. Oh boy. I got some more watermelon growing in here. I see it. Come on, watermelon. Let's see where the other one's at. So, gotta find it. Where you at? Where you at? Come on now, show yourself. You showed yourself to me the other day. There you go. Look at that. Got two of them. Two of them right there. Okay. My first one that I had growing in here, it rained so much till it split it. I had to just throw it away. So far I have three watermelon growing over here. Come on, watermelon. Grow big and sweet for us. Okay, let me get busy cleaning out this garden again. Look at my zinnias looking so beautiful. Yes, you are. You look beautiful. My asparagus growing back there. Oh, bell pepper, you look nice. You look nice, yes. Okay, I'm gonna harvest a few of you guys today. Look back there, I see you. I see you, bell pepper. And all this basil. It's going to seed too. Need to harvest some of you. Okay. A lot of cleaning to do. Oh boy. Squash. You look like, oh, I see some of the squash growing in there. Okay, come on, squash. Get big from me. A lot of your leaves need to be pulled off. This heat is burning you up out here. A lot of cleaning up to do, Look at here. My second sowing of cucumbers. I see. This is the pickling cucumbers over here. I think they were the bunching cucumbers. I don't see but a few of them have germinated, but the pickling ones are coming up back up. And over there supposed to be my green beans, but I haven't seen any more of my green beans that I sowed again coming up. Oh, I gotta clean this bed out over here. I had planted some peppers over here, but they hadn't come up. My tomato plant over there. A lot of work keeping this garden up, but it's gonna come and grow us a lot of food. My Jamaican sorrel. Oh, beautiful. Okay, another Jamaican sorrel over here. Come on, Jamaican sorrel. Oh. Clean out this bed over here. More zinnias have popped up. I had put squash and zucchini over here, but they died out. They didn't produce. Look at my lemon tree. Okay, lemon. Meyer lemon. You're blooming there. A lot of leaves on you, but come on in and grow me some lemons, please. And your little baby lemon tree back there. You coming up? Yes. Oh, my apple tree. It got ate up by some slugs, but the leaves are starting to come back. It's just so hot. Everything is dying out. I had squash and tomato plants in here. Got some marigolds that look like they about to die out in here too. Oh, come on. I don't know what this is that's growing. I don't know if that's the peppers or some more squash and zucchini plants. But come on. A pomegranate tree. It started off, it had some flowers that bloomed on it and looked like some fruits came out on it. But they dropped off and died and nothing else has come up. Oh, tomato, peppers over here. Eggplant. Okay, eggplant. I see you there. Come on, come on, come on. I had 2 on here and they just died out. Just fell out. Heat is just killing the plants here. Come on. Whatever you do, don't give up. Just keep sowing your seeds, cleaning out your garden beds with the weeds. And one day you'll be seeing a great harvest in abundance. Yes. Over here, got my collard greens. Got to get all of these weeds out of here. And look what sprouted up in this grow bag. Some mustard greens. Okay, mustard greens. I didn't think you were going to come back until it got a little bit cooler. But y'all coming out on your own. Still out here in this heat, you're coming out. And over here I have my little herb bed. I pull the weeds out on here. Have some mint growing here. Yes. Some more basil. And this is supposed to be the lemon balm right there. Okay. Oh, gotta get busy cleaning out these garden beds. Be a hard day's work, but it's gonna be worth it. Yes, it is. To see my vegetables and food growing for my family. And harvest. Look at that beautiful bell pepper there. Harvest some bell peppers and some okra today. To get started with first. Look at that beautiful okra flower there. Yes. Pop off and ready. Oh, this one here is gonna be too woody like it's because it let it get too big. Let's see what else I got over here. Here goes another one. Oh, I see one more okra here. Come on. You're kind of big, but I'm I'm gonna taste you, cook you anyway. Look at this beautiful bell pepper, yes. Okay. And harvest you today. Look how big you beautiful you look. Yes. Let's see. See any more on this one? Okay, I see you coming in. See some more blooms up there. Let me get this one right here. Oh boy, you look nice. Okay. Yes. Okay, bell pepper. Yes. You look nice. And I see another little one growing there. And look at you. Look at you. I think I'm going to let you get a little bigger. Let me see. Okay. I'm going to let you get a little bit bigger before I harvest you. Okay. Now smell good. Yes, you do. A little harvest today. Okra, asparagus, and bell peppers. Grown in Big Mama's garden. It looks a lot better. My collard green bed area, pulled a lot of the weeds out of there and staked them up, the ones that was falling down. Got my little herb bed over here cleaned out a little better too. Okay, I'm gonna sow some onions around my collard green bed to kind of protect them from the pests. On to the next area to clean out. I have this bed as my spinach bed. Some of it has bolted and gone to seed. See the little flowers on here. I'm gonna save those seeds and sprinkle them back into this garden container that this used to be a lampshade that I turned into a garden pot. Okay, spinach, you have a new home. Grow good for us. Grow a lot. My zucchini is getting bigger. Come on, zucchini. Grow more for us. Grow bigger. Grow bigger. Another part of gardening, you have to fertilize your plants with potassium, nitrogen, and calcium that you can get from banana peels, coffee grinds, and eggshells. And you can also get nitrogen from your green plants that you pull off in your garden that may have died out, that you need to, that still look good, that you can put in here and use as part of your super juice fertilizer. Let me get busy fertilizing my garden this morning with some of this super juice. I decided in this area to re-sow a lot of my seeds. I added red onion seeds and yellow onion seeds over here. I got some beets growing over there, some carrots growing over there, along with that tomato still growing. I have celery in each one of these beds along with carrots, and I added some lettuce seeds in here. See if they're gonna grow. I think I got the ones that they said can endure some of the heat. So let's see if they're gonna grow back this summer. Still have a little cleanup to do over here. I'm gonna pull up this landscape fabric down here and add some ones that a little thicker that last a little longer. Keep the weeds out. Yes, it's a lot of stuff you have to do in your garden, but it's always worth it in the end to see all the beautiful vegetables and food growing for your family. Don't give up, just re-sow some more seeds.